Sara.
Yes, ma'am.
Maayong hapon po. I'm April from Davao City. And, makahilap po po. VP, most of our group today is nurses from Germany. We would just like to ask if we can apply maybe as a volunteer for a personal nurse for President Duterte. I can speak German, I can speak Dutch, I can speak English, and of course, Bisaya. Yes.
I'll have to ask the lawyers, ma'am.
Yes, please, VP.
If that is something that can be done
Yeah.
within the rules of the detention center. And then
I have both the residents, VP Sara. Resident po ako ng Holland, ng Netherlands, and resident din po ako ng Germany.
sabi nung iba dito, ma'am, na illegal. Sana all daw.
Opo, dati po ako nakatira dito since 2008 until 2023. Pero lumipat po ako ng